How to use custom values in Maybe. Custom values are a valuable source, helping to make tasks easier to manage and personalize, whilst also being a huge time saver. You are able to use custom values in a variety of features within the platform, including emails, funnels, workflows, and social posts. You can find the Custom Values feature under Settings. Then select Custom Values. Here you can see some of the custom values that we have already created. Let's create a new custom value. First, enter a name for your custom value. This will be something that helps you identify what that custom value is. For example, a website page, a call to action, a team calendar, a brand color. Then enter the value for the custom value. For example, this could be a website link, a calendar link, a brand hex color. When you are ready, select Create. You can edit a custom value by selecting the pencil icon. For example, if a website link changes, or you create a new calendar link, or you update your brand colors. This means you don't have to update those values in any of your workflows, as the links just change over. A big time saver. Just simply add the new value and select Update. Congratulations, you can now create your custom values. We have further videos that will show you how to use your custom values within different features in Maybe.